Okay, it's time to do some testing. And one of the things we got to test is, did our piece make it? And let's test to make sure all shafts made it. And here's a little bit of interesting info. Remember when I said this guy was lost? We're going to make him out of aluminum pipe. Well, I was checking the box. I didn't realize that in the box is this old Bachmann motor whose magnets keep picking up stuff, and I'm like wondering where the heck did all the screws go? Well, they were getting stuck to him. And guess what I found? I found the missing this guy. So now we don't have to make him. But let's test. So what I got is I got that guy in the screwdriver, and we can test him. So that's what we're going to do right now. Let's test him. All right, so here's our guy that we did. And there's his thing, and you can see the half round is the missing piece that we cast. Let's put him on these. Let's suspend him on these guys so that we can actually test this and see if it's gonna, if we got a match. If we didn't get a match, they're not gonna turn. If we did, they are gonna turn. So let's take this guy, we're gonna go down like this, and okay, now, is he gonna work? Oh, nope, hang on, what? Come on now. Stay where you're supposed to stay. All right, watch him carefully. I don't see or feel any binding. Let's go the other way. I'd call that a success. Okay, now let's take a look at one other thing. Let's take a look at the underframe, which sits above the current frame. Let's see. We got him hooked up to that guy right there. I'm going to turn him up. Let's give him 14 volts, 14.55 volts, and let's see how he's doing. Now, is everybody turning? I mean, they look like they're turning, but are they really turning? Maybe we can see. Looks like he's turning. We don't know though. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our blue marker. And if we mark this guy, just like that, maybe we can see now if he's really actually turning. Oh, he is turning. What? That guy's turning too? That is 22 volts. And the face ripper motor is still 0.2 amps. Looking pretty good. See, let's see how low we can go. Can we go as low as 2 volts and have him turn? 2 volts. Looks like he's turning to me. Let's check him. 2 volts. 2 volts, and this guy's turning nicely. I think we got something. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to install this gearbox into the other one. This is the original. This is the guy that didn't need any modification. Install them into there and we're going to test them again.